I'm going to show you how to make this nice little column thing with using tables in Google Docs. Super quick, super easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to insert a table. So this is a 3x2. And then we're just going to grab this lower one and drag it down a bit. Okay, so the next thing was we want to change the color of the bottom three. So I'm going to click here and then shift click the third one, and that'll select all three. Then I'm going to go to Format, Table, Table Properties, and I'm going to go ahead and change that color to this nice light gray. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the top three. I'm going to click in this one, and then I'm going to shift click in the third to select all three. I'm going to go to Format, Table, Table Properties, and this time I'm going to pick this nice dark pink. Okay, whoa. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the entire table again with the shift click, first and last cell with the shift click. I'm going to go to Format, Table, Table Properties once more, and this time I'm going to change the table border to white, and then I'm going to change the value to 3. Then I'm going to hit OK. So now we have this. Lastly, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to write in this gray color, I think. Do a little center align. I'm just going to copy this to get the formatting. And there we go, super quick, super easy way to elevate the look of the table in Google Docs.